Your neighbor's floodlight is shining directly through your bedroom window right now. Or maybe it's a road, or a driveway, or just that one spot where everyone can see you eating breakfast in your pajamas. You spent all that money on a barndominium to get away from people, and somehow you ended up in a fishbowl. That happens because most barndominiums fail at two things at the same time. Big windows give you light but zero secrecy. Solid walls give you privacy but turn your home into a dark metal box. There is a floor plan that solves both. It is not new, it is not trendy, and it looks nothing like what your neighbor is building. The H shape. Two parallel wings connected by a glass bridge. From the road, all anyone sees is a blank wall. From inside, you get two private courtyards, sunrise in the kitchen, sunset in the bedroom, and no one looking at you ever again. 1. The single wide stealth. Let us start with the one for narrow lots. Most people assume you need acres of land to pull off an H, but this version sits on just 40 feet by 60 feet. From the street, it looks like a 20-foot wall of Corten steel with no windows at all. Your HOA thinks it is a workshop, but you walk down a 6-foot breezeway on the side, and suddenly you're standing in a 400-square-foot courtyard with floor-to-ceiling glass. The master suite faces that courtyard. The living room faces the opposite one. 2 outdoor rooms, 1 house, no neighbor eye contact. And here's a trick. Put your driveway in the front leg and park your truck there. That truck now blocks the only sight line into your entry. You have effectively disappeared. Number 2. The glass guillotine. Now, if you want something more dramatic, consider this one. The 2 wings are completely solid. Metal, concrete, blackened wood. No windows on any outer wall, but the bridge between them is a 30-foot-long double-height glass tube. You don't live in the bridge. You walk through it every morning from your bedroom wing to your kitchen wing, crossing over a koi pond or a fire pit below your feet. That 10-second walk resets your brain. Privacy isn't about hiding in darkness. It's about controlling exactly when you are seen. The only catch is that you can't build this in a high wind zone without steel tension cables, so budget an extra $15,000 for engineering. But ask yourself if feeling like a Bond villain every morning is worth it.
3. The courtyard inversion. A normal H has 2 outdoor courtyards, but this one has 3, and they are inside. You rotate the bridge 90 degrees so it becomes a hallway, and the courtyards become light wells punched directly through the roof. 8-foot by 8-foot shafts lined with gravel and succulents at the bottom. The roof stays completely walkable. From above, your house looks like a parking lot. From inside, you get jungle light. Bedrooms catch the morning sun, the living room gets noon sun, the hallway gets sunset. No direct sight lines ever. People in Nevada build this near restricted areas because it even offers privacy from satellites. 4. The illegal offset. Now this next one might get you a phone call from your local zoning office. In a standard H, the 2 horizontal bars are perfectly parallel, but here you shift 1 bar forward by 12 feet. From the road, the house now looks like 2 separate sheds. Most zoning codes require a single structure to have contiguous walls within 10 feet. The offset breaks that rule on purpose. The result is a 40-foot deep privacy pocket on one side and a 12-foot carport on the other. You could park an RV in that pocket and no satellite or street view camera would ever see it. Why is this banned in California, Oregon, and New York? Because some cities argue that a 12-foot offset creates 2 distinct buildings on one lot. But if you are on unincorporated land, this is a brilliant loophole. Just check your local rules first. 5. The pivot door barn. Now this one is for people who want total control. One wing is your workshop or garage. The other wing is your living space. But the bridge between them is not glass. It is a 16-foot solid steel pivot door. When the door is closed, you have 2 separate buildings with a 10-foot gap, perfect for fire safety and soundproofing. When the door is open, you have a 40-foot wide continuous great room. Maximum light when you want it, maximum privacy when you open it. No other shape can do this. A rectangle cannot split in half. An L shape cannot seal shut. A 4-inch thick steel door with magnetic seals will cost around $8,000, but you will never hear your guests' children again.
6. The subdivision saboteur.
Now, if you are trapped under a homeowners association, listen closely. Your HOA limits building height to 15 feet. Your lot width is 60 feet, so you build both wings only 12 feet tall. The bridge gets a flat roof with grass and sedum. From the street, the bridge disappears into the landscape. It looks like a garden shed attached to a garage. But here's the secret. The courtyards are sunken 3 feet below grade. You step down into your living room. That 3-foot drop gives you 11-foot ceilings without ever exceeding the height limit. The HOA only regulates what they can see from the street. They cannot regulate what is below grade. Build this, and your neighbors will think you have a very nice tool shed. Meanwhile, you have a 2-bedroom barndominium with a private hot tub in a sunken courtyard.
7. The monolithic H. And finally, the one for people who truly want to disappear. No windows on the exterior perimeter at all. 0. All windows face inward into the 2 courtyards. From the outside, your home is a 300-foot-long concrete bunker with exactly 2 doorways. That sounds extreme until you look at the numbers. A standard house loses about 30% of its heat through windows. This house loses 5%. You can heat the entire structure with a single wood stove. And privacy? You could be hosting a gathering in your backyard, and your neighbor 50 feet away would see only a gray wall. The trick is to make the courtyards large, 20 feet by 30 feet, big enough for morning sun to hit the bedroom windows and afternoon sun to hit the living room windows. Orient the open ends of the H north to south, and the sun travels through the courtyards all day. You get passive solar heating without ever exposing a single window to a road or a neighbor. No one will ever knock on your door. So, those are the 7. The H shape is not a trend, it is a strategy. It hides you without burying you. It gives you light without exposing you.
If you made it this far, you are exactly the kind of person who cares about building smarter, not just bigger. That is what this channel is all about. So if you want more videos like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Tap the bell while you're there so you do not miss the next one. And one last thing. If your neighbor builds one of these before you do not be angry. Just move, because you're never gonna see them again.